cooking or enjoying a festive feast, the kitchen is where all the chaos happens on Christmas Day. As we get our homes set for the season, why not refresh your kitchen with some easy decorations and seasonal craft projects? Hello everybody, thank you for watching today's video. I will explain you how to decor your kitchen in Christmas. Number 1. Christmas crockery. Give your table a seasonal refresh with Christmas mugs, plates, and beautiful festive placemats. Mismatching your tableware is the perfect way to create a vibrant, joyful Christmas table setting, says Jess. Combine vintage or second-hand pieces with some new favorites for that ideal mixture of shapes and styles. Opt for opulent jewel tones for your glasses and table linens, and add in some candlestick holders with bright candles for a multicolored maximalist look. Number 2. A windowsill Christmas scene. If you have a window ledge in your kitchen, you can create your very own winter village scene this Christmas, an increasingly popular trend. The team at Magnet explain. By assembling model homes in between faux Christmas trees on a bed of cotton wool, you can build your very own winter wonderland. Not only will it look great from the inside of your home, you can spread the festive cheer as your neighbors will also get to see the scene too. Number 3. Decorate sideboards and islands. For those who have a kitchen island or sideboard, adding a DIY Christmas centerpiece or vignette is a great way to make your kitchen feel festive. You can repurpose a tiered tray stand by adding small festive objects such as pine cones, candles, and ivy. Suggest the design team at Magnet. Pick colors that complement your kitchen's color scheme or classic Christmas colors such as red and green. Tom Howley, design director of the eponymous kitchen brand, says, "If you'd like to add a little festive cheer to your kitchen island, a tall vase with seasonal branches or a Christmas garland can look fantastic. Inject some vibrancy with colorful baubles, or keep it simple with twinkling LED wire lights." Number 4. Christmas wreaths. A hearty Christmas wreath can instantly transform any front door, but households are also placing them around the kitchen. The most popular locations to hang your kitchen wreaths are on cabinet doors, windows, or on units above the hob or oven. However, it's important you make sure wherever you place your wreath, it is safe and not at risk from setting alight. We love the placement of this John Lewis wreath, sitting proud on a kitchen cabinet. Number 5. Festive chair decorations. Give your dining room chairs a glow up this Christmas by adding simple decorations to the spindle, such as foliage, stylish swags, ribbons, and miniature wreaths. Festive chair decorations are great if you want to create a sophisticated and stylish look without taking up much table space. We love this cluster of baubles fixed with a ribbon, which is so easy to replicate, and a nice craft project for little ones. Number 6. A decorated drinks trolley. Decorating a drinks trolley is a great way to free up valuable space on your kitchen table, and they can really be adorned in any way you wish. We love the idea of adding presents, baubles, and foliage to a drinks trolley, as well as some festive glasses and jugs. Number 7. Bright and cheery Christmas kitchen. This cheerful, retro yellow and white kitchen gets the Christmas treatment with curtains made with repurposed gingham tablecloths, fresh greenery, and a seasonal rug. Number 8. Go all out with a Christmas tree. If you have the space, then adding a Christmas tree is one of the best kitchen Christmas decor ideas and will instantly imbue your kitchen with seasonal cheer. Accessorize shelving with foliage placed in festive crockery, along with cookware and linens in a red and white scheme. We spend so much time decorating the rest of our homes at Christmas that the kitchen can feel, comparatively, a little unloved, says Ben Burbage, managing director of Kitchen Makers. Embellish the surfaces with a handful of carefully chosen decorations or artfully arranged sprigs of seasonal foliage to lift the space. Number 9. Get the glow with candles. Christmas is also the optimum time to whip out your best candles. They're a great way to add a sense of drama to a kitchen when it is being used as an entertaining space, or just as a little bit of luxury for yourself while cooking. Candles, of course, never fail to please, mixed in displays with pretty, small bud vases, which bounce the light beautifully, says Chrissy Rucker, founder of the White Company. And don't forget that lovely glass vases can often double up as storm lanterns too, when you pop a candle inside. I use lots of scented candles throughout the house. Number 10, source a tree that can fit on the countertop. Make every room in your home festive with small details and decorative designs that work in any size space. Here, a delightful miniature Christmas tree nearly fits into an unused corner on the kitchen countertop. How charming does this dark blue kitchen look with its tabletop Christmas tree decor? It is possible to find small potted ones, and you can decorate them using mini baubles. A simple garland across the range is also really effective. Pop candles and mince pies on your island and make up a few cocktails ready for guests, says Andre Childs, editor, Country Homes and Interiors. Number 11, freshen up with flowers. If you're looking for a Christmas kitchen decorating idea that's equal parts fashionable and festive, some foliage is in order. Chandos Dodson Epley of Chandos Interiors breathed some life into this modern kitchen with a few poinsettia plants. To keep this space from feeling in your face festive, the Houston-based designer traded in the classic red petal for an off-white alternative. Number 12, opt for ornaments. Despite what you may think, ornaments aren't just for Christmas trees, ask Anne Sage. I love holiday decor that feels like it's seamlessly incorporated into a space. So I'm always looking for ways to use existing decor pieces in the vignette the lifestyle blogger shares. Pendants and chandeliers in particular lend themselves beautifully to a little holiday bling. Number 13, revel in ribbons. Have spare gift wrap? Make the most of your leftover supplies by sprucing up your kitchen. Here, Studio DIY deployed red ribbons to turn pantry essentials into one big present. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our content. Don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos.